What's up, guys? Nerd Off Desk here, and we're taking a sit down. We're taking a look at a $250 gaming rig build. This is built off of the Tech Syndicate cheap ass build. However, I did do a few modifications because the parts were either not available or there was better prices. This was bought and shipped for less than $250. It's exactly $241. However, this is recycling a hard drive that I had laying around. So if you already have a hard drive that you can reuse, preferably 7200 RPM, that would be great for this build. However, if you don't, you can add one. You're going to be spending a little bit under 300 at that point. But let's go ahead and let's look at the stuff that we have in here. It's decent. First, the motherboard is an ASRock FM2A75M DGS. This is a motherboard that supports the A-series AMD chips, and those are the chips with the built-in graphics card, which you can do all kinds of fancy stuff like that. If you get a dedicated card, you can do a lot of Crossfire X and that kind of cool things. And this particular board is, it's nothing fancy. However, it was cheap, and it's going to support the processor that we're going to use, which is a A6 5400K. That's at 3.6 gigahertz. And it's a really nice chip. It's Black Edition, so it's going to be able to overclock really well. And it does have that built-in graphics card. For the RAM, we're looking at Crucial Ballistics RAM. It's at 1866 megahertz, and you're gonna need the fastest RAM that you can get, because as we said, that the CPU and the graphics card is on the same chip. You're gonna need really fast RAM to get that extra performance in games or whatever you're doing, graphic editing or whatever. For the PSU, we're diverting away from the Tech Syndicate build. We're using a Seasonic 300 watt power supply. That's at 80 efficiency. So it's bronze rated, and if you're looking to get a dedicated card in the future, you might want to get a beefier PSU, but just remember to don't cheap out on it and get a nice one. At least 80 plus efficiency is usually what I keep it at. 300 watts should be good enough to run this rig unless you're planning on upgrading the graphics card soon. Then I would get something a little bit beefier. A standard LG DVD burner, cheapest one. It works, it burns, it plays. And then with the case, we went with the cheapest case. I don't even know what it's called, but it's called it's in a box that says Super Case. I don't know. It's a place to put all the stuff in. So like I said, this build comes down to $241, which is cheap without a hard drive. You can add a hard drive still. It's pretty cheap for a gaming computer. Even if you're not going to be planning on using this for gaming, this is better than most of the computers you would go buy for like 600 bucks. This will kick its ass. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions below, go ahead and ask them in the comments section below. But I'm Nerd Help Desk, and I'll see you guys later.